Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we'll learn A to Z. A for apple. A P P L E. A for apple. And the next B. B. B for ball. B for ball. B A L L ball. B for ball. C. C. C for cat. C A T cat. D, and the letter is D. D for dog. Dog. D O G. D for dog. And the next E. E. E for egg. E for egg. And the spelling is E G G. Egg. F. Letter is F. F for fish. F I S H fish. And the next G. And the letter is G. G for goat. G O A T goat. And the next letter is H. H. H for hen. Hen. H E N. Hen. And the next I. Letter is I. I for ice cream. Ice cream. And the spelling is I C E C R E A M. Cream. Ice cream. And the next letter is J. J. J for jug. J U G. Jug. And the next letter is K. K. K for kite. K I T E kite. And the next letter is L. L for lion. L I O N lion. And the next letter is M. M. M for monkey. M O N K E Y monkey. N letter. N. N for nest. N E S T nest. O. The letter is O. O for oval. O W L oval. P. P for parrot. P A R R O T parrot. And the next Q. Q for queen. Q U E E N queen. R. And the letter is R. R for rat. Rat. R A T. Rat. And the next one is S. The letter is S. S for sun. Sun. S U N. And the next is T. The letter is T. T for train. T R A I N. Train. U. U. U for umbrella. U M B E R E L L A. Umbrella. And the next V. V for van. Van. And the spelling is V-A-N. Van. And the next letter W. W for watch. Watch. And the spelling is W-A-T-C-H. Watch. X. The letter is X for Xmas. M-A-S. Xmas. Y. Letter is Y. Y for yak. Yak. Y-A-K. Yak. And the last one is Z. Z for zebra. Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Okay, from the first. A for apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. B for ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. C for cat. C-A-T. Cat. D for dog. D-O-G. Dog. And the next. E. Egg. E-G-G. Egg. F for fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. G for goat. G-O-A-T. H for hen. H-E-N. Hen. I. I for ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. Ice cream. J. Jug. J for jug. J-U-G. K. K for kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. L. Lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. M for monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. N. N for nest. N-E-S-T. O. Oval. O-W-L. P for parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Q. Queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. R for rat. R-A-T. Rat. S for sun. S-U-N. Sun. T for train. T-R-A-I-N. U for umbrella. U-M-B-E-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. V for van. V-A-N. Van. W for watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. X for Xmas. X-M-E-S. Y for yak. Y-A-K. Z for zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. So I hope you liked my video. If you like my video, please like and share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Meet you all again in the next interesting alphabet video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.